Hello everyone, welcome back to Galaxy Station. Today, my iPhone 13 just received iOS 26.2.1, which is a small but very important update. First, let me start the download process. And while the update continues, I will break down what is this update all about, whether you should install it right now or wait, and what you need to do before hitting that install button. Alright, the download has started. Now let's talk. iOS 26.2.1 is a maintenance update released by Apple. This is not a feature heavy update. You won't see any new design changes or any new fancy AI or headline features. Instead, this type of update focuses on fixing the old small system bugs, improving background performance and stability, keeping the system reliable. These updates usually look boring, but they really matter. Even though iOS 26.2.1 looks minor, but it plays an important role. Update like this improves the long-term system health, ensures smooth compatibility with Apple devices and services, and prepare your iPhone for the future updates like iOS 27. Apple rarely explains everything publicly, but many system level changes happen silently in the background. Now, here's something you should not ignore. Apple has officially stopped signing iOS 26.2, the current OS in my iPhone 13. So, what does that mean? If I install iOS 26.2.1, I can downgrade my device to the current iOS 26.2 anymore. So once I update, it's a permanent move. That's why understanding the update before installing it is very important. While the update is still downloading, here are the few things I always recommend you to follow. You should keep the battery charge over 50% or plug it in. Then you can use a strong and stable Wi-Fi connection. And for safety, take a full backup of your device's internal data to iCloud or a PC, and make sure your phone have enough free storage to complete the installation process. These steps don't take long, but they can save you lots of problems and hassles. So, is this update safe for my iPhone 13? For 99% users, yes. What I gain? Bug fixes and smoother system behavior, better stability over time, and obviously I want to staying on the latest official iOS version. Now, what I will not get is no new features, no visual changes, and no rollback option after updating. So, this update is more about keeping things healthy without adding any excitement. Okay, now once the download starts finishing, the phone will verify the update and then restart. At that stage, please don't interrupt the process. Keep your phone turned on. Just let your iPhone do the job. The installation process usually takes a minute. So, the final verdict, should you update your iPhone to iOS 26.2.1? Obviously, yes, if you want stability and future compatibility, and if you prefer staying up to date. Just remember, no downgrade is possible. Okay, that's my full take on iOS 26.2.1 on my iPhone 13. Let me know in the comments, have you already updated your iPhone and what's your phone's model number, or are you still waiting? Like the video, subscribe to Galaxy Station, and I will see you in the next update video.